Morning, welcome to Wednesday. One happy person here today. Me.
And me.
4 naughty little children going to school.
Daddy, I'm happy.
I've wound them up this morning. I've been in one of them silly moods and I've wound them all up.
Well, you wound me up every day.
I can't take a joke, these kids. They can give it, but I can't take it. Happy Wednesday anyway.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yes, Chloe.
You didn't annoy me.
No. I didn't annoy any of them really, they just can't take it. Right, today's plans. School run. Yeah, school run. School run. And then Rachel's going to pop to Lidl in town, do a bit of shopping. I'm going to take Chloe to school. Get back. Clean the pigs out.
No, Daddy, why not Lacey first?
We've got to clean the piggies out.
Yeah, and then why not Lacey?
What do you mean?
Like, why not?
Wind her up?
Yeah.
No, we've got stuff to do. And that is the plan. Weather's rubbish again. Alright. Dull, grey, wet. Quite muggy today. Just took my coat off. I've just took Chloe to school and yeah, got back in the car and I thought, whoa, sun's coming out as well. So just dropped Rach off. She's in that Lidl. I haven't got in with her because there's only a little bit that she's getting, so but I tell you what I can't wait for. I can't wait to get home and clean them guinea pigs. They are stinking. Hopefully we're going to get them back outside soon. So it's just the weather at the minute, because one minute it's like this, nice, and the next minute it goes cold. I don't want them to freeze to death. I think we should be alright though. Right, Lalace?
Goals.
Goals. You got what? You're admitting you've got goals?
Yes.
You'll be alright when you get working and get out of it. You're allowed to have a laugh. Smile. You're on candid camera. There's a shock to hear about Paul O'Grady as well, wasn't it? Sad that. Unexpected. I know he had trouble with his heart and stuff in the past, like heart attacks and things, but yes, sad that. I don't know. And then you got that school shooting in the USA.
Oh, I saw that.
Oh, it's terrible, isn't it? Here she comes to save the day. She's done the shopping. We've just put in the boots. It was a bit more expensive than what I thought, but there we are. Thought it was Indian a little bit. And there we have it. We are home. Got these to clean these out. Hello, what? Where's your treaty? You've got your treat on your mind. Yes, you eat yours. Don't be ungrateful, Wap. Yours is there, Wap. He wants whatever's in the bag, though. He wants the human food. Ah, you happy now? Yes, you are, aren't they, Wap? Where's the other one gone? I must have gone in there. Ah, beautiful boys, aren't they, Wap? Like you beautiful man. Yeah, so made a bit of a mess clearing all the hamsters out and that way as well we have, so kitchen got in a bit of a mess, but it's all cleared up now. And Rach is here doing this for tonight, because we're having lasagna. I love Rachel's lasagna. Lacey's just doing some hoovering for me. Sweating now. I need to go and empty this cardboard recycling things, get a bit full there. Lacey's attempting to hang some washing out. She folded them a bit over to she's trying. I'll go and give her a hand. I've emptied the bins and I'm out of breath. I'm just not fit like I used to be. I need to get from fat to fit. Rachel's spraying, so that must mean it's time to leave. It's gone very quick this morning. By the time we got back from Lidl, I was only in town as well, and then by the time we cleaned the guinea pigs and all the other animals out, it's just flown by. Got another coffee.
From me.
Thank you, Lacey. It's now time to take Rach. Lacey, you never seem to have much to say in the car anymore on the way home from taking Mum to work. So today's the day that you're going to tell everyone something.
Oh,
We're waiting.
what is that in the back?
Ooh, spookiness. It's gone.
It's a bat.
Did you see it disappear?
Yeah.
Pulled out quick. Hi. Where you going?
What? It's a problem.
No, I ain't got a problem.
Be staring with your camera.
Hello. Let's go and get Tit. So she's in a good mood. What do you reckon? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's obviously, but she's being a wind-up mood. We'll have a fun. But yeah,
Yep. Probably.
a good mood, but she'll wind up in
You had a nice day? You was right, Lacey. She's come out happy.
I think she'll be a bit snappy in the past. She'll moan about something. I'm okay.
So then, my little chicken wing. What have you got to tell me? Yeah, Lace.
No, I did not.
I have to apologise. There's them chicken wing things that I had repeating on me. I just burped. Sorry, I do apologise.
Whatever it is, it smells. Get out of the car.
You made me upset now.
Jeez, just saying.
Chloe, you had a nice day, Duck?
Yeah. We had to pause for a minute because you burped right that bad.
Sorry about that. Anyway, I'll get back to what we were saying. How was your day, Chloe?
Good, but feet and pain. You want to know why?
Why you? If you sit still, we can hear you.
Because we had.
Your feet hurt because why?
Because Mr. Godson got this equipment out, yeah. And he
I take
said,
it this was in PE.
Yeah, and he said no shoes or socks on, and if you got tights on, you have to go in that PE cupboard to take them off one at a time, yeah. And and my feet in pain now.
Oh. Not good, is it?
Yeah.
Anything else of interest happened?
Friday day.
You wish.
Saturday, Monday, Friday day.
You wish. Yes, Shirley, we've got lasagna for tea later.
That looks good. Why is it warm? Have you cooked it already?
Mum cooked it earlier, yeah. Well, she did the mince. It needs to go in the oven.
Oh.
We're having it with Mum.
It smells
And it needs some cheese on top. Is that all right?
That's my favourite.
I've got to find out what I'm going to do for you for tea, because you don't like that, do you?
I feel really weak.
Why?
I'm gonna like and just drop dead.
Don't be silly.
In my throat, and when I breathe, in, in the car, yeah. Wait to breathe, and I can't breathe.
You can breathe. It's because you're panicking.
I can't now.
Yes, you can. You won't be stood here talking to me if you can't breathe.
No.
Oh!
In my chest, it feels like I can't.
You reckon you got a cold or something coming?
I don't know. Just because the boys need to cough and breathe.
Because you're panicking again. What are you worrying about now?
No, nothing. I just
Yes, you are. You'll tell me later.
No, I feel really weak.
Are you hungry? Do you want a snack?
Probably.
Right, Liam, how are you?
Boring.
Yeah, I know. I didn't ask you.
Was it from eBay?
Yeah, like Mum said you chose it. Said you looked and looked to get the right bit.
It had the exact code though, like everything was the same.
It don't fit.
What, it's a scam now?
Well, so basically, guys,
She's eating pop.
Liam asked for a new hamster wheel for his hamster, and Rachel ordered him one, and it's wrong one.
I'm going crazy, I swear I saw. I thought that Sprite can was a hamster wheel. Would you like a hot drink?
Hot drink? Yeah, I'll have a cup of tea, Shirley, if you're making one. Thank you.
She wants something off you, she didn't normally do that. Yeah. No, I want a drink, that's why.
Let's not argue about it. You got out to sell us, Lee?
No, not really.
Ah, all right then.
I had my music exam.
So you lied to me. You have got something to tell me.
Yeah.
Music
I
exam.
got something.
How did you get on?
Terrible.
Did you?
Yeah, it was like 300 people.
What, you're telling me there's a subject you can't actually do?
I can't do a lot of subjects.
Yes, you can. Okay.
Hey, where's this book?
So, okay, then tell me what was so terrible?
I kept missing the chords. Everyone else.
What was your
good.
score? Do we know?
No, we have to wait now. People take some time.
Now Liam is going to look after the tea. I've only just put it on. I'm running behind. I've just finished my vlog. Sorry if it made you jump, but my vlog. When it goes live later, you watch it. Okay? Just the first couple of minutes. Alright? Anyway, I'm off to get Rach, but I've got to pop into Tesco because you always get one awkward one at tea. Chloe thought we had some hot dogs in. I didn't think we did. So now she's got her heart set on that for tea because she don't like lasagna. Lacey's got that chicken. Did I put that on? Yeah. Chicken and chips Lacey's got. Oh, I don't know. So now I'm going to have to pop into Tesco's, but it don't matter because Rachel is out late anyway. So like I said, you're welcome.
Buying some proper bedding.
You're welcome. Right, you look after that and I'll text you when to put the garlic bread in. Finally, got sorted. Liam looked after it for me and here it is. Well, obviously Rach made it earlier. Looks blooming delicious if I do say so myself. Thank you, Rach. So, we're going to begin by digging in. Evening, as you can tell, probably. We're in bed again. And the other episode of The Bay's on tonight, but that is not getting watched today. So, Rach was nodding off on the sofa there, weren't you, Duck? So, yeah, here we are. Oh, kids are still messing about. Can you hear them? As soon as I come to bed, they're in here. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching as always. Take care.